Hey everybody, it's Natalie and Steve from Dark Art Astronomy.
And while at NEAF, we were able to interview the people at ToupTek's, and they're introducing a lot of great new products that I can't wait to see and test. Let's tell you about them right now.
Hey everybody, I've got Olivia from ToupTek's, and I've really been impressed with all of your line of products, your Raspberry Pi, and all of your other things. Why don't you tell us about what you've got on thing today here?
Okay, so I want to stress our new products in 2026.
Yes.
So first, I will introduce our GS series guide scope. So for a guide scope, we have from 100 and 350. And this, especially this one, it has 4 glasses. And it is apochromatic with flat field flattener inside. It's apochromatic design.
Wow.
Yes,
That's
it's very tiny, very cute.
Very
right?
small.
You can see our whole setup here.
Right.
So this is our harmonic mounts.
Right.
So its payload is 20 kilometer.
Okay.
Yes. With counterweight, I think it's up to like 30 kilometers.
All right.
And this is our Hope series telescope. So currently we have the model of the aperture of 60 millimeter. This is the smaller one.
Okay.
This is a 55 millimeter. Yeah. And also with our StellaVita, the smart controller. Using the StellaVita, you are now locked into one brand. You can use it to control multiple brands and equipment. And you can choose what kind of products you are using. So.
And this is right now the only one on the market that I'm aware of that you can use with different cameras and different mounts, and it doesn't matter where the equipment is made, you can plug it in.
Yeah, because we believe that we want to use this open system to collaborate and help other brands.
Yeah.
Because we don't think the monopoly is great for the users. Only the diversity can make the astrophotography and the brand more energetic.
And it's all about science.
Yeah.
And so why not be open source, right?
Yeah.
Well, thank you. I appreciate you explaining that. Tell us about what else you've got going on here.
Okay. So, and also now, here I want to stress the new StellaVita.
The new.
So this is our, we will call it, you can call it a Pro or Plus version. So compared to the first one, it has a larger body. We have upgraded the hardware. So you can have 2 more USB 2.0 hubs here.
Right.
And also we upgrade the board so you can have better and stable and more stable Wi-Fi connection. You don't need to use another new Wi-Fi adapter to occupy one USB hub.
Okay.
So this will be our new product in 2026. So stay tuned.
Fantastic. And how many different devices can you power from that? Looks like you've got spots for 4 different power hubs.
Yeah, you can use it to control your main camera. You can control your equatorial mounts and a guide camera and the autofocuser and the filter wheel.
Okay.
Yeah.
Well, fantastic.
So,
now, and can you go in and let's just say you want to recycle your camera or something? Can you go online and get inside the box and then cycle on like number 1, turn it on and off?
Yeah, we have power manager.
Power management?
Yeah, inside.
All right. Well, that's a big improvement.
Yeah.
All right.
Here is a very cute and a tiny camera. This one, we call it AE676C multi-purpose astrophotography camera. You can use it to take deep sky images, planetary images, and use it as a guide.
Yeah, so you can take planetary images. So if I want to take a picture of Saturn, and at the same time, I can also use it as my guide scope.
Yeah, and it has a attachable magnetic fan cooling system. You can attach it.
Well, that is ingenious. I love it.
So this will also be our new products in 2026.
Well, and are they on sale now or are they?
Not yet.
Not yet, but they're coming soon.
Yes.
All right. Well, I can't wait to test this one out.
Yeah.
This is going to be fantastic. All right. Anything else you want to show us?
And I want to show you our StellaVita app.
Okay.
This setup is connected via the StellaVita,
Right.
and using through the app, you can
Okay.
control your main camera, guide camera, and mounts and filter wheel, etc. So we launched this new StellaVita app this year. So compared to the first version, it is much more user intuitive and user friendly.
Yeah.
So you can finish the whole shooting session with this one. And in the future, we will definitely add more functions like live stacking and flat field assistant, etc. So we will add more functions gradually here.
All right. Well, fantastic. I'm really impressed with what you've got going on here, Olivia. Thank you so much for appearing on Dark Art Astronomy. ToupTek is the way to go. Thank you so much, Olivia.
Thank you.
All right. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.